I was working in finance at JP Morgan, and I was extremely bored with my job. And I started to think about the kind of toys that I played with as a child that would keep me entertained beyond 8 hours. And I thought of Legos and puzzles. So I began to search for a career that involved building and problem solving. Obviously, coding was one of the first things that came up. And I started coding online, and then I began to look for developer boot camps. I originally did not find one in LA. I found one up north, and I was going to move and quit my job, and then one random day I did the search again, and I chanced upon Sabio. I didn't see the payment that I had to pay for Sabio as anything but an investment that would only make me more money in the end. About 2 weeks after we started, a startup came and pitched their idea to us, and we built their website from the ground up. So collaboratively, me and 4 other people built a website from the ground up. It was one project that we all worked on, but we all did a ton of miscellaneous tasks on it. There was no one role that any person had. Everybody just jumped on to the next thing that we needed to do. It just feels so good, and you feel so accomplished to build something from scratch. The training absolutely prepared me and mirrored what it's like to work as a developer in the real world. You know, we learned the different parts of the front end, HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and then we moved slowly into the back end. So hit the middle tier and then to the back end. If you get stuck, if you really get stuck, there is somebody there to help you at all times. You can ask a friend sitting next to you, you can ask another fellow, you can ask Gregorio himself. Actually getting interviews is not difficult. It was probably the easiest job process in that way. People call you all day long, email you nonstop. There is a large demand for developers everywhere. So I am a junior full stack developer at One Iota Productions. The company is an entertainment company, but what I do is I work with 4 other developers, and we do full stack .NET development. The stack is pretty much the same as the one that I worked on at Sabio. This all transpired not even a year. I've been working at my current job for almost 7 months at this point. Sabio was a life-changing experience, and because of the time that I spent and the decision that I made to go through Sabio, in the next 5 years, I hope to be a co-founder of a tech startup or a software architect, opportunities that I never thought I would have without Sabio.